All right, first off is the good news. This thing is completely battery powered, and changing the batteries is easy. You pop out this little center column and it just uses regular old AA batteries. No weird batteries, no having to go find those crazy little flat batteries that are expensive, and just regular AA's. All right, now the light itself is an LED. It's a very low powered LED, so you don't have to worry about getting close to anybody or heat or anything. So that's an awesome thing. Also, it's very lightweight, which is nice. It fits right in your hand. So there are actually 4 different types of light that are simulated here. So there's a switch that turns the light on. If you switch it towards the blue side, it's for daylight. If you switch it towards the orange side, it's for simulating tungsten or indoor light. Now, once you've turned the light on, let's go ahead and do that. There are 4 sides. The first side is kind of the harsh, regular light. I thought it was important to have one with regular harsh light, so when you switched it over and turned it towards soft diffuse light, you would understand why hard light, when to use it, why soft light is so awesome and beautiful. So hard light, diffused light. We have a third side. If you switch it over here, we actually have a Fresnel. So if you wanted to use this as a spotlight effect or a hair light or something like that. And the last thing, if you turn it one more side, is a storage bin for gobos. So gobos are things that go between the light and your subject, or between the light and the wall. We'll talk about these in detail in just a minute. But what these do is they create lighting patterns. And you can put it over the light and just create your own backgrounds and patterns. It'll be a lot of fun when we get to that part. But that's what the fourth side is for. It has gobos. By the way, when you first get the light, the gobos will have brown paper over them, so you want to peel the paper off the brown papers just for shipping. On the very bottom of the light is a little screw. If you wanted to screw this into a tripod, that's there for you as well. So that's really pretty much it. On, off, and you have a hard light, a soft light, and a spotlight, all in one little box.